guys, good day. We are here right now at Four Aces Car Wash and Coffee Shop. And I'm here with Sir Pilchen, na siya ang tag-iya dire, owner and manager. And this is located diri lang sa barangay Balabag, Pavia. And this very day, we are so blessed kay kung kamo lapit dire, no? Kung baseari ka mo diri sa mga subdivisions near here, Providence, Monticello, Avida, ano pa gid diri ang mga iban diri nga mga lapit ng mga subdivisions, you could come here. So, sir, thank you for having us. Gid.
Welcome to
Ah,
Operation.
so, sir, gusto ko tani mabalaan, kabalaman sa mga viewers naton, kung nga Four Aces ang pangalan.
This is the name that was conceptualized that represents the four sons.
Okay. For nga bata.
Four sons.
So, namin, no, at least, sir, na natin makita nga ang balaan gid kundi ang inspiration sa sining
Yes.
nga negosyo. And sang o lang sir nag-start ang ini nga business diri sa Balabag.
Diri sa Balabag, we started 2 years ago.
Okay.
February, actually February 5.
Mm.
Start kami diri, put up some car wash.
Okay.
At first, 2021, may ara na kami coffee shop.
Okay.
But then, ordering is just online.
Online,
so,
ha.
Na-deliver. And then, I thought na why not we make it accessible for everyone
Yes.
and partner natin sa car wash. Since magpa-car wash ka, you need to wait
Yes.
for your car to be finished.
Yes.
You can have coffee,
Yes.
you can just hang out and
Yes.
cool down
Mm.
for getting your car washed.
Mm.
That's naging partnership siya.
Mm.
And then as time goes by, so we have conceptualized again to augment additional services sa car wash,
Yes.
which is may change oil.
Oh, may change oil na. Oo. So, ang change oil ni sir, ginakater sa mga salakyan, kag sa mga motor.
Exclusive for cars.
Cars lang anay, ho. Cars lang.
SUVs,
Oo.
trucks, may mga binakater, basta makaigo.
Makaigo lang sila sa may sulod dire. So by the way, if you have a car nga gusto nyo man not just ipa-car wash, pero ipa-change oil, kadto ka mo dito sa Four Aces. So gusto tani namon, sir, mabalaan ano ang inyong opening nga time and anong mga services nyo man nga ginahatag diri sa Four Aces.
So we open 7 a.m.
Hmm.
We close depende.
Depende. Oo.
We have experienced na nakalabot kami 9:30 because we cannot say no
Yes.
to our clients.
Yes,
So,
yes.
even though it's closing time, but then mag-abot sila, we cannot say. And aside from car wash, we also offer buffing services. So may mga gas-gas,
Yes.
salakyan, light scratches,
Yes.
we do buffing.
Yes.
We also do interior detailing.
Mhm.
Okay, mostly sa amon mga clients are Grab and
Okay.
Maxim cars.
Mm.
So they have to maintain the freshness and the cleanliness of their cars. Kaya
Yes.
ginarate sila sa nila mga passengers.
Yes.
So meticulous gid sila.
Mm.
So may mga instances nga naulaan sa
Yes.
sudan,
Oh.
natulungan sa isda.
Yeah.
So, naga-stage siya sa salakyan and then nagabaho siya. Over time, nagabaho siya. So, we need to take care of that. So, that's why we have interior detailing.
Mm.
And we also do other detailing,
Exterior, ho.
tire detailing,
Mm.
and we even clean the filters if necessary. And we also do deodorizing and antibacterial service. Ang mga passengers,
Yes.
kailangan may mga, let's say, may mga asthma, may mga allergies.
Mm.
So like makapanimaho lang sa yabok, mga chi or
Yes,
whatever.
yes.
So we do that service, no, to protect man the integrity of of our clients.
Yes.
It's because they're serving the public, especially Grab. and
Grab.
Maxi.
Maxim. So, grabe, no? So, kamo dira, kung lapit kamo dire sa may barangay Balabag, kadto na kamo dire sa may 4 Aces, especially kung ga-grab kamo, ka-Maxim, or taxi, or ginapagamit nyo yung salakyan, mga customers, kay pati ang sa sulod, pwede nila tinluan, detail, tanan kaga. Sir, paano ni sir nag-start ang imong passion for car wash?
Nag-starting through my own experience. Kaya before I was a salesman.
Okay.
So I've been traveling all over the Philippines.
Mm.
So, syempre, pag tabok mo from one island to another,
Yes.
You need to have your car wash.
Tama.
Especially katabok sa dagat.
Yes.
Ang asin,
Yes.
pilit sa akong salakyan.
Tama.
So, mangin over time, maras na din mo sa hindi mo hugasan.
Tama.
Wala, sa mga experiences ko sa car wash, I always have this thing na hindi kumpleto ang ilang service. You're paying the amount, ang rate nila,
Yes.
but then ang ilang service is not complete. So,
Mm.
liwaton, pabalay lang.
Yes.
Then, through the years, I'm saying okay ang car wash business.
Mm.
You interact with people, you connect with people.
Yes.
And it's not just ginugasan mo lang iyang sa lakyan.
Tama.
Kaya nga, akong ring advocate is I will teach them to take care of their car.
Yes.
Kaya mostly sa naman mga clients, if not Maxim and the Grab,
Mm.
mga private cars.
Mm.
Mostly mga mothers,
Mm.
mothers.
Yes.
So kasaway na sila tayo mag-maintain or
Yes. Oo.
So ano na ako nanging advocate, remind ko sila, ma'am, naka-change ko ito na.
Oh.
Na-check mo na yung filter.
Yes.
Need na ton pa-PMS in sa lakyan.
Tama.
So that's been my advocate sa nag-start kami.
Yes.
Not just nga masul, lang di washing nga.
Tama.
Tapos
Tama.
So, I connect with my clients.
Tama.
So that's why nga may kaya kami ang mga suki.
Oo.
Ano ba tapo? Pwede ka balik.
Dirigit.
It's because they're comfortable nga magkanto direct. So
Mm.
they're feeling after mo pa car wash, though, kampante ka ba lang?
Yes.
Nga ginubragin man, bisan nga cellphone ng gabi.
Yes.
It's because we uphold a very high integrity sa amon nga trabaho.
Yes.
Wala sa mga madula sa gamit mo.
Mm.
Unlike sa mga iba ng mga not all.
Oo.
Pero may ara
gid.
drivers na nagpakwa sa sentiment nila na dito sa iba
Yes,
nagpakwa
yes.
sila nagkadula ng mga chat record,
Yes.
silyo nila.
Yes.
So there is amon we hold our integrity high.
Yes.
Isang bayaan mo,
Yes.
balikan mo ang imo nga salakyan impact ng mga
Yes.
gamit mo.
Yes.
So that's why I always keep my hands on.
Mm.
Wala ko ginapabayaan, supervise ako mga tao. We do things right.
Diba?
Kasi balikan mo kita gato, kita gato service.
Tama.
Katula ako gusto mo.
Tama.
So far, we're blessed na nasukit namin, nakabalik-balik.
Mm.
And we continue to uphold nga we will stay that way.
Yes. So, namigid, no? Sir, last na lang, gid, before kita nga invite nyo sila to come here. 4 Aces, may ara ikaw, apat ka mga bata. Siguro, hindi naman, in the future, when they grow up, they would see this video, no? Kabalang ko ikaw gid ang isa sa mga tao nga gina-look up nila. So, ano yan, sir, mga mensahe mo sa mga kabataan subong?
So, sa inyo, mga boys,
Hmm.
this business will be you will be the witness
Mm.
sa aton hardships kung paano natin i-keep up, how
Yes.
we maintain
Yes.
our sincerity and integrity,
Mm.
which is madala ninyo ina sa inyong mga buhi sa Pilakanda. If ever one of you will take over, hindi ko na kaya, syempre katigulan naman. So hindi ko na kaya, if one of you will take over, you'll know how to run this business with this.
Mm.
Ito yung witness nila.
Yes.
So, ang isa ka bata, part-time na din.
Oh, that's
So,
good.
nasa klase,
That's good. That's good. Oo.
Hands-on na siya.
Mm.
So, isa mo na si Magic, siya na yung barista.
Wow, nami, no?
Yeah. So I make them involved
Yes.
para nga kanila na exposure sa
Mm.
business.
Mm.
May ups and downs.
Yes.
May runas with tao.
Yes.
Normal. At the end of the day, magkakaya ako nga napananaw sa mga business. It's like a piggy bank.
Mm.
Kung sulod niya customer, sulod sa piggy bank mo.
Yes.
At sulod yan din na sa kadwa.
Mm.
So that's my concept. Na mabalik lang, aralan lang siya.
Wow.
So nagadamot lang sila na nagadamot.
Mm.
We're a young business, 2 years pa lang
Mm.
compared sa ibang mga existing car washes Dubai. So we have a lot more to go, a lot more to experience.
Yes.
Excuse me. But then we're very positive in every way. We just have to believe and have faith na this business will keep on growing.
Yes. So nami, no, kita gabi. That was very, very sincere coming from kay sir. So sir, if you could invite ang ating viewers to come here and avail sa inyong mga services.
So mga amigo, mga amiga, so diri kami sa Calabag Pamilya for Aces Car Wash. I'm inviting you to visit our car wash and coffee shop. So we open from 7 a.m. Up to 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So, and you can also contact us by our number. It's 0929-551-6580. Again, 0929-551-6580. Send lang mo SMS or text. Hindi lang tawag kay hindi ko pa-entertain sa tawag. SMS or text lang. Thank you.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you again, sir, for having us. Salamat sa grabe. Subong na intindihan ko na damugi ko na learn, especially when about business and how did you continue it from generation to generation. Salamat kay sir. And if you are a business and you want to be featured next, message us, comment down below, and we will be happy to feature your business. Kag kung kamo taga Balabag, kag wala pa kamo dire nakakadto sa 4 Aces, give it a try. I'm telling you, si sir sa iyang heart, sa iyang passion sa car wash, not just that, sa iyang advocacy, makita nyo gid, ibalaan nyo, hindi mahapos ang mag-maintain sa isa kasalakyan, but with sir, with all his experiences, kag mabulig sa inyo, I know nga ma-maintain nyo gid maayong inyong masalakyan, not just sa car wash, pati sa mga interior detailing, and also sa change oil, sa mga change sa mga filters sa inyong masalakyan, and also PMS, which is very important. Thank you very much, everyone. This has been Pedro. This has been Brand Boss. God bless everyone. See you on our next video.